In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Aladdin portfolio management software works and how major financial institutions use it to manage investments at a global scale. First, we'll explore what Aladdin is and how it evolved from a Blackrock internal system into a global investment management platform. Next, we'll look at the different types of institutions that use Aladdin, including asset managers, pension funds, and corporations. Then we'll go through the main platforms and tools within the Aladdin ecosystem, including its core system and solutions. And finally, I'll show you how to contact the Aladdin team and get started through their official website. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Aladdin stands for Asset, Liability, Debt, and Derivative Investment Network. Originally developed in 1988 as an internal risk management system for BlackRock, it has since evolved into a comprehensive investment management and technology platform used by financial institutions around the world. Aladdin combines portfolio management, trading, risk analytics, operations, accounting, compliance, and reporting tools into a single integrated system. The platform is designed to provide real-time visibility into portfolios, market exposure, and investment performance. By centralizing data and workflows, Aladdin enables investment professionals to make more informed decisions, improve operational efficiency, and better manage risk across a wide range of asset classes. Now, let's go through the types of institutions that use Aladdin. Asset managers use Aladdin to manage investment portfolios, monitor performance, execute trades, and analyze market risks. The platform provides a centralized environment for portfolio construction, investment decision-making, and reporting. Asset servicers use Aladdin to process and support investment operations on behalf of clients. The platform helps manage asset administration, data processing, reporting, and operational workflows more efficiently. Banks and brokers use Aladdin to manage balance sheets, monitor market exposure, assess risk, and comply with regulatory requirements. Its analytics tools provide greater visibility into financial positions and market movements. Large corporations utilize Aladdin to manage treasury operations, cash positions, and financial risks related to currencies, interest rates, and investments. The platform helps organizations maintain financial stability and improve planning. Insurance companies use Aladdin to manage investment portfolios that support future policyholder obligations. The platform helps balance assets and liabilities while monitoring risk and investment performance. Pension funds rely on Aladdin to oversee retirement assets and ensure long-term investment objectives align with future payment obligations. Advanced risk analysis helps support sustainable portfolio management. Private market investors use Aladdin to manage investments in private equity, infrastructure, real estate, and other alternative assets. The platform provides tools for tracking performance and evaluating illiquid investments. Wealth management firms use Aladdin to create customized portfolios, assess risk, and provide investment insights for individual clients. Advisors can better understand portfolio impacts under different market conditions. Now let's move on to the platforms that make up the Aladdin ecosystem. The core Aladdin platform is designed for institutional investors and provides end-to-end investment management capabilities. It integrates portfolio construction, trading, risk management, operations, and reporting within a single environment. Aladdin Wealth extends the platform's risk analytics and portfolio management capabilities to wealth management firms. It helps financial advisors deliver personalized investment strategies and risk assessments for clients. Now let's take a look at the solutions and tools available within Aladdin. Accounting provides a unified investment accounting framework that ensures front office and back office teams work from the same data source. This improves accuracy, transparency, and operational efficiency. Aladdin Studio enables organizations to build custom applications, workflows, and integrations using APIs and development tools available within the platform ecosystem. Aladdin Data Cloud helps firms store, organize, analyze, and access large volumes of investment data. Cloud-based architecture supports scalability while improving data accessibility and reporting. Whole Portfolio provides a consolidated view of both public and private investments. Users can analyze portfolio exposure, performance, and risk across multiple asset classes from a single dashboard. Risk is one of Aladdin's core capabilities. The platform performs advanced risk analysis and scenario testing to help investors understand how portfolios may respond to changing market conditions. Sustainability solutions help organizations evaluate environmental, social, and governance factors within their investment portfolios. The platform provides insights that support responsible investing and help firms align investments with sustainability objectives. Climate solutions enable investors to assess climate-related risks and opportunities across their portfolios. Users can analyze carbon exposure, evaluate transition and physical climate risks, and make more informed long-term investment decisions. Aladdin Copilot integrates artificial intelligence capabilities into the platform. Users can interact with data, generate insights, navigate workflows, and access information through natural language queries. Private markets data provides access to information and analytics for alternative investments, including private equity, real estate, infrastructure, and other non-public assets. This helps investors make more informed investment decisions and evaluate opportunities more effectively. Now, if you would like to learn more about Aladdin or connect with their team, you can fill out the contact form available on their website. The form requires basic details such as your name, business email, company name, phone number, country, organization type, and primary role. You will also need to select a request type so the team can better understand the purpose of your inquiry. Further down, you can choose the products or solutions you are interested in and provide additional information in the "How can we help you?" section. This allows you to explain your requirements or ask specific questions. You can also choose to receive updates and insights from Aladdin. Once everything is completed, simply click Submit, and a representative will get back to you regarding your request. Now, if you scroll all the way back to the top of the page, you'll see the Connect button in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be presented with two options: Login and Contact Us. If you already have credentials, simply select Login to access your account. Otherwise, click Contact Us to be redirected to Aladdin's contact page. On this page, you'll find a few different ways to get in touch with the team. If you're a member of the press, you can use the Media Contacts option to connect with a media representative in your region. If you're interested in working at the company, you can select Find Employment Opportunities, which will direct you to Blackrock's careers portal where you can explore available positions. Alternatively, if you're interested in Aladdin's products or services, you can fill out the same contact form we looked at earlier. Once submitted, a representative will reach out to assist you. And there you have a complete step-by-step overview of how the Aladdin portfolio management software works. We've gone through how it brings together portfolio management, risk analytics, trading, and operations into one unified system, and how it's used across the global financial industry. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.